Hello students, in previous class we discussed up to sixth question. In page number 32. In page number 32, up to seventh question we completed. Okay, what is the question? The cost of 7 2/3 meters of cloth is 12 rupees 3/4. 12 3/4 rupees. Okay, what is the cost of 7 2/3 meters cloth? 12 3/4 rupees. 12 3/4 rupees. Find the cost of per 1 meter. What is the cost of 1 meter? We want to calculate. Okay, what is the cost given here? Okay, they are given 7 2/3 meters cloth cost given. Okay, 7 by 2/3 meters cost given. We have to calculate 1 meter cloth. 1 meter cloth cost we have to find. 1 meter cloth cost we have to find. How we can do that? We have to find first the cost of given. The cost of 7 2/3 meters cloth equal to how much cost? 12 3/4. 12 3/4. Already we know one example. Okay, 7 pence cost 35 rupees. 7 pence cost 35 rupees. 1 pen cost how much? 1 pen cost how much? What we can do? Divide this number with this one. Divide this number with this one. That means we can write it 35 by 7. 7 1 is 7 5. 5 rupees. Already in proportion chapter we discussed that one. Okay, if you know the total article cost is given. I want to find out one article cost. Okay, total cost divided with the number of articles. Total cost divided with the number of articles. 7 pence cost 35 rupees. Then what is the cost of 1 pen? 35 by 7. 35 by 7 you have to cut this one. We will get the 5 rupees. Cost of 1 pen is 5 rupees. Similarly here also we will follow that one. So what is the given statement? The cost of 7 2/3 meters cloth is this one. Is this. We want to find out 1 meter cloth. 1 meter means divide this number with this one. Divide this number with this one. If you want to find out 1 meter cloth cost. The cost of 1 meter cloth. The cost of 1 meter cloth equal to, okay, 12 3/4 divided by 7 2/3 divided by 7 2/3. That means we have to divide the total cost by total length of the cloth. Okay, by dividing we will get the answer. Now we have to convert into the improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction how we can convert 4 into 12 plus 3 by 4. 4 into 12 plus 3 by 4 divided by, okay, here also 3 into 7, and converting this process as improper fraction. Okay, mixture to improper conversion this is plus 2 by 3. 3 into 7 plus 2 by 3. Okay, multiply 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3 by 4 divided by 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 2 by 3. 21 plus 2 by 3. Now I add that one. 48 plus 3 how much in? 51. 51 by 4 divided by 23 by 3. 23 by 3. Now we have to convert into the multiplication, because division after we have fraction. Whenever division after fraction is there, convert into the multiplication. That means 54 by 4 multiplying 3 by 23. 3 by 23. Write the reciprocal. Division is converted into the multiplication, and write the reciprocal for the division symbol after fraction. Now any cancellation is possible. Okay, now we can cancel these two. Okay, we can cancel these two. No, the cancellation is not possible. So we can multiply these two. 54 into 3 by 4 into 23. 4 into 23. Now we can multiply 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. 162 by 23 into 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 2 is 8. 9. 92 by 162. But answer is given in a mixed fraction. Convert into the mixed fraction. Okay, 162 divided with 162 divided with 92. 92 1 years 92 92 1 years 92 then 0 already we know division that's why I am not explaining here. Okay, 92 1 years 92 2 minus 2 0 9 minus 16 minus take ball here it will be 0 it will be 16 minus 9 7. Okay, that means we can write this as okay 170 but 70 will not subtract 92 that's why I will write a fraction form. Okay, 170 by 92 meters. My rupees are meters. They are after cost. That means this is the cost. This is the cost. The rupees by 100 rupees. 170 by 92 rupees. That is the answer. We are going to do the next question, 8th question. Okay, this is only 8th, 7th question. This is the 8th question we will do. Next one. Eighth question. This is very easy question and important. Find okay, like this question given. Find the area of rectangular part. One part is there. That is in the shape of a rectangle. Find the area of the rectangular part, which is 18 3 by 5 meters long. 18 3 by 5 meters long. Long means length. Long means length. And 8 2 by 3 meters broad. Broad means width. Okay, what is the given there? What that one you have to write first. Later we will find the area. What is the area of rectangle formula? If you know, we can do the question completely. Solution given in a rectangular part. In a rectangular part, length equal to how much? 83 by 5. 83 by 5. Convert into the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction to improper. Mixed fraction to improper. 15 into 8 plus 3 by 5. If you can do directly, you can do, no problem. Now 85 years 90 plus 3 by 5. 90 plus 3 by 5. Otherwise, cancellation part also we can do, no problem. Okay. Otherwise, we will do later this one. This part, starting also we can do, no problem. First, what is the given that one? 85 meters. Width equal to breadth. Breadth equal to breadth given 82 by 3 meters. Now, area of rectangle equal to formula length into breadth. Length into breadth. Area of rectangle formula what is? Length into breadth. Okay, what is the length here? 18 3 by 5 multiply 8 2 by 3. 8 2 by 3. 8 2 by 3. We have to convert it to the improper fraction. Okay, improper how we can convert? 5 into 18 plus, for this I want to convert improper. 5 into 18 plus 3 by 5 multiply. For this also convert it to improper. 3 into 8 plus by 2 plus 2 by 3. Okay, now 8 in 5 years 90 plus 3 by 5 multiply 8 in 3 years 24 plus 2 by 3. Now a 90 plus 3, 93. Multiply 93 by 5. Multiply 26 by 3. 26 by 3. Is there any cancellation is possible? That cancel that one. Okay, is there any cancellation is possible? First multiply this numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Multiplication 93 into 26 by 5 into 3. 5 into 3. Okay, now 3 1 years. 3 3 years, 3 1 years. Whatever remaining here, 31 into 26 by 5. Multiply these two. 31 into 26. 31 into 26 how much is? 31 into 26. 6 1 years 6, 6 3 years 18. 2 1 years 2, 2 3 years 6. 6 10 8. 806 by 806 by 5. 806 by 5. What is the units? Square meters. But all the given in a mixed fraction. So convert it to the mixed fraction. 806 divided with 5. 5 1 years 5. 3. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 0 6. 5 1 years 5. Remainder 1. That means what we can write? Final answer is 161. Okay, 161. 1 by 5 meters square or square meters. 161 1 by 5 meters square. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, without doing these steps, by following this one we can write this one also, no problem. This is for understanding purpose I am saying. Without writing these two steps also, from this step to this step we can write directly. Okay, no problem. Next question. Ninth question. What number should minus 33 by 16 be divided by to get minus 7 by 4. Okay, what number should divide? That means this number should divide. Okay, this number should be divided. Okay, by to get 11 by 4. That means Albert problem. Okay, minus 33 by 16 divided by a number. What is the answer there? Minus 11 by 4. But what is the number in here? We don't know. That number we have to take. Let number equal to x. Let number equal to x. Write down. Minus 33 by 16 divided by x equal to minus by 4. That means I assumed let number equal to x. Unknown number we can take variable. Already we know. Number instead of I replace x for our convenience. Now write convert into the reciprocal. For the denominator convert into the multiplication. That means minus 33 by 16 multiply denominator not there. So that is taken as 1 by x reciprocal of x by 1. Denominator not there. That's why I written 1 denominator place. X by 1 reciprocal 1 by x equal to minus 11 by 4. Now we have to cross multiply this one. Cross multiply minus 33 into 1. Minus 33 into 1 by 16 into x equal to minus 11 by 4. Now we have to take a cross multiplication. Here only x only have to multiply. Minus 33 into 1 means minus 33 only. That means we can write minus 33 by 16. First multiply this. Minus 33 by 16 x equal to minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4. Now we have to cross multiply this. Minus 33 into 4 minus 11 into 16 into x. Minus 16 into 11 into x. 16 into x. 16 into x. Now we have to move all the numbers. These are multiplying. Another by going on other side that will divide. Okay, these two are multiplying. On going on other side, I done here cross multiplication. Okay. Then what will be getting? Minus 33 into 4 by minus 11 into 16 equal to x. Only up to these numbers only I removed. Moved from this side to this side. Now cancel this one. 4 1 yes. 4 4 yes. 11 1 yes. 11 3 yes. Minus will cancel. What is the answer here? X equal to 3 into 1 3. 4 into 1 4. That means what is the answer here? X equal to 3 by 4. X equal to 3 by 4. Just moving the terms will be important here. Okay, if you know the moving terms, then that will be easy to do. Next, 10th question. Second question. Okay, each meter or 1 meter. Each 1000. Okay, see here if 36 thousand means shots. Thousands means shots. Okay, 36 thousands needed stitched with the 60 meters cloth. By taking 64 meters cloth, 32 shots are stitched there. Okay, 36 thousands stitched with the 64 meters cloth. Then what is the length of each thousand? That means each shot we needed how much cloth we have to see. Given 36 thousands stitched cloth equal to 64 meters. Okay, already we know totally 36 shots needed, 64 meters cloth. One shot how much? 1000 stitched cloth equal to 64 by 36. 64 by 36. 64 by 36. Okay, total 36 shots needed, 64 meters. One shot needed how much cloth? 64 by 30. Total cloth by number of shots. Now this one we have to cancel. Okay, with the 2 table. 2 1 years, 2 8 years. 2 3 years, 2 2 years. Okay, is there any cancellation possible? No. That is the only answer. Okay, 32 by 18 meters. Cannot into the improper. This is improper fraction. Mixed fraction you have to write. 18 1 is 18. 18 2 is 36. 36 may not divide. So 18 1 is 18. By subtracting we will get it. This is a 2. This is 12. 4 1. That means we can write 114 by 18 meters. 114 by 18 meters. That is only answer. Okay, what is your homework today? We have to practice page number 32. Page number 32 we have to practice 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 5 sums you have to practice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sums you have to practice.